How to add cross animation in Wix Studio. So the cross animation can be added into an image, text, or into the button. Once you have clicked onto this, in this case I'll choose button, open this inspector icon. Click onto this lightning option and you should be able to see this. So the cross animation can be found under the entrance as well as the hover. For this case, I'll choose entrance and click on. Then from in there, just scroll down until you can see the cross animation from this case. Head over and then click onto this cross animation and it should be able to show you what it will look like once it's applied into your button. So once you're satisfied, head over and click onto this publish option in order to publish this change that you have made. So that's how you add a cross animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.